So in question number 5 of exercise 14.5, I took the radius PQ as 6.1 centimeter. The first process, I took the diameter PQ, and then I have taken the measurement as 6.1 centimeter. And after taking 6.1 centimeter as a diameter, I just have taken the perpendicular bisector of it. Why I took the perpendicular bisector of it? Because the question is telling that you have to draw a circle with this diameter, and you are knowing that for drawing a circle we need a radius, and for making the radius you are knowing diameter or radius का क्या relation होता है, that half of diameter is called radius. So I have made it half by using the perpendicular bisector. And जैसे ही आपने इसका perpendicular bisector draw किया बेटा, आपको इस PQ का हाफ मिल गया, और जैसे ही आपको PQ का हाफ मिला, हमने क्या किया, O रखा एक एज अ सेंटर, बिकॉज ये वाला पॉइंट O पे कट कर रहा था, O आपने लिया एज अ सेंटर, and after taking O as a center, you have drawn the full circle, and when you have drawn the circle, you have got PQ inside as a diameter. So question number 6 is telling you to draw a radius of 3.4 centimeter. 3.4 centimeter. And here it is telling to give the name also, no? Here it is telling to give the name. Radius will be 3.4, center will be C. Center will be C, and this should be 3.4 centimeter. And यहाँ पर आप कोई भी इसका नाम दे सकते हो, because it is not given to have what name of radius. So I took it like that only. Then question is telling to draw a circle first. So let us draw this circle with the help of this 3.4 centimeter radius. Now you can see on the board, I have just drawn a circle with this radius 3.4. Okay, so I want every one of you to draw this circle with the help of radius 3.4 on your fair copy. In basic geometrical ideas, we have learned how to draw chord of a circle. Okay, so what we are going to do now, the question is telling to draw a chord AB. अब हमें इसमें क्या करना है, एक chord draw करनी है, उसका नाम होना चाहिए AB. So we can draw chord anywhere, because chord means joining two points on the circumference. So I am drawing the chord here. You can draw it anywhere, remember. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है like मैंने जहां draw किया वहां पे आप भी draw करो. You can draw it anywhere, but remember the chord is a line segment which joins two points on circumference of a circle. ठीक है, now I have drawn this chord. Now what we are going to do, the question is telling now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this chord. आपको इस AB जो कॉर्ड है उसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है, और चेक करके बताना है कि डज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर और नॉट. So now let's try the perpendicular bisector of it. So again, the more than half we will take it like this, then the same process from point number B, like this, and here also. Okay, and after getting this one, you can see, आपको दूर से भी दिख रहा होगा कि yes ma'am, it is passing through the center only. ये center से ही होकर जा रहा है. See, ठीक है, it is passing through the center. Yes, correct. Now look at here on the board. Question number 8 of this exercise is telling here कि आप एक ही सर्कल में दो कॉर्ड बनाइए. हमने एक सर्कल वाला तो करके देख लिया, एक कॉर्ड वाला. अब हम क्या करते हैं, बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 को भी ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 कह रहा है कि आपको इसी सर्कल में दो रेडियस बनानी, दो कॉर्ड बनानी है. तो एक कॉर्ड तो हम बना के देख चुके हैं. अब लेट अस ड्रॉ वन मोर कॉर्ड हियर. सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग द कॉर्ड लाइक इशिका. I am also drawing the chord here only. थोड़ा सा tilted, because पुराना वाला तो straight बना था. Let's try it little differently. So I am giving the name PQ because AB नाम हमारे पास पहले से है, C हमारे पास पहले से है. So I have taken another one chord now, that naming as PQ, and now I will draw its perpendicular bisector to check that whether it is also passing through center or not. So this is my more than half. I will take it up here. I will take it up here. Then I will be taking it from here also. Sorry, ये तो ज़्यादा हो गया. एक minute. Yes. Now from point Q, done, and from here also I have done it. And now I will be joining it, and let's see whether it is passing through center or not. So let's see. एक minute. I have just taken it tilted. This one is like that, no? Yes. So both the chords are meeting at C. So I hope, मैंने भी अपनी क्लास में अभी देखा है बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हैं जो लोग साथ में प्रैक्टिकली कर रहे हैं, and they have also seen that this line bisector of both the chords are joining at center only. Question number 9 is telling here that you have to draw any angle with any measurement. So I want every one of you, please draw 60-degree angle. सभी लोग 60 डिग्री ड्रॉ कर लो, तो सब लोग कॉमन हो जाएगा सबके पास. So I am going to draw 60 degree. You can also take any other measurement also, but I want my class students to draw 60 degree so that everybody will be doing it commonly. So you can see on the board, I have drawn a 60-degree angle, and the question is telling to have the center O. So I have taken the center as O. Now the question is telling point A on one of its arms, point B on another arm. Is telling that you have to take one point A on one arm, and on second arm you have to take point B. So for that what you have to do, the question is telling कि दोनों fixed distance पे लेना है. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ यहाँ पे, मैंने आप भी लीजिए स्केल और एकदम फिक्स डिस्टेंस लीजिएगा बेटा दोनों की. पॉइंट ए मैंने यहाँ पे 8 लिया हुआ है, 4 सेंटीमीटर भी ले सकते हो आप, 8 भी ले सकते हो, बट याद रखना दोनों ही जगह पर एकदम सेम मेजरमेंट लेना है. Like this. I have taken point A here and point B here, and it should be exactly with the help of measurement through ruler. Without ruler nobody will take it because दोनों की distance same होनी चाहिए. OA should be equal to OB in the question. ठीक है? In the diagram OA should be equal to OB. And then what we are going to do, we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of both the lines OA and OB. दोनों का हम perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे. So now I will be taking the perpendicular bisector of OB first. So सबसे पहले more than half लिया, इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा, उसके बाद the same thing, इधर जाएगा and इधर आएगा. ठीक है, ये हो गया मेरा परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ one of its arm, that is OB, and I'll be joining it. I'll be joining this one with the form of dash dash. You can have it a fair line also, don't worry. I have drawn it with dash dash, but you can also draw it. Now I have drawn the perpendicular bisector of line OB. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of OA as well. OA का भी करेंगे, ठीक है? Question is telling here to draw the perpendicular bisector of both the lines. So here I have taken, here I have taken. Now let's say from point number A as well, ये लिया and ये लिया. हो गया दोनों? and उसके बाद I will be joining it like this. Sorry, ये गलत आ गया, यहाँ पे था ना. This is there. Now I'll be joining both the points. I'll be joining both the points. Very good. ठीक है. अब now you can see these both the points are meeting at this point. दोनों के दोनों बाइसेक्टर जो है they are joining at this point. यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. इसको नाम देना है हमें P. इसको हमें नाम देना है P. The question is telling here to just you can see draw the perpendicular bisector of OA and OB and let them meet at P. Let them meet at P. So they are meeting at P. दोनों के दोनों हमें कहां पर मिल रहे हैं? पॉइंट नंबर P पे मिल रहे हैं. अब now you only see that if you join PA and if you join PB, are you getting the same measurement PA and PB or not? So you have to do this by your trial. By with the help of a scale, you have the measurement of distance between P to A and P to B and check it whether they are equal or not. So you can see in this question, it was telling here, I am repeating once again, it was telling to draw an angle. ठीक है, draw an angle. It can be of any measurement. तो सबसे पहले मैंने एक angle draw किया था. Then question was telling that it should be having the vertex O. तो मैंने इसके vertex को नाम दिया था O. फिर उसके बाद क्वेश्चन ने बोला जो एंगल की आर्म्स होती है उस आर्म्स पे आपको एक एक पॉइंट लेना है. फर्स्ट आर्म पे आपको लेना है पॉइंट नंबर ए, सेकेंड आर्म पे आपको लेना है पॉइंट नंबर बी. एंड रिमेंबर आपको इस तरीके से ए और बी पॉइंट को लेना है कि आपकी जो मेजरमेंट है वो ओ से ए की और ओ से बी की ये दोनों सेम होनी चाहिए. तो आई हैव टेकन द हेल्प ऑफ रूलर टू टेक द पॉइंट एट सम डिस्टेंस. जो डिस्टेंस यहाँ है वही डिस्टेंस यहाँ लेनी है मुझे, ऐसा मैंने ध्यान दिया. ठीक है. एंड आई हैव टेकन बोथ इक्वली. सो यू कैन सी OA is equals to OB. After taking OA is equals to OB, I have taken the perpendicular bisector of both the lines. Like OB की perpendicular bisector पहले मैंने ड्रॉ की, फिर मैंने OA की perpendicular bisector ड्रॉ की एंड दोनों को ड्रॉ करने के बाद मैंने चेक किया कि ये दोनों तो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आपस में. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट दे आर ज्वाइनिंग एट some point, at one point, and I have given that point the name as P. मैंने उस point को नाम दे दिया P because question was telling कि let them meet at point P. So I have given them name P. और जैसे ही मैंने इसको point P नाम दिया, question is telling now you check whether PA is equal to PB or not. तो मैंने क्या किया, इन दोनों को पहले ज्वाइन करके देख लिया कि वेदर दे आर इक्वल और नॉट. एंड एवरीबडी ऑफ द योर क्लास ओनली दे वर टेलिंग यस मैम दे आर इक्वल. तो आप मैंने भी इसको ज्वाइन किया, इसको इससे ज्वाइन किया. आई हैव चेक दैट वेदर दे आर इक्वल और नॉट एंड यस दे वर इक्वल. PA is equals to PB was there.